Hello friend, I am Naval. You are watching Code with Naval. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are looking for a job preparation, learn latest trending technology, then you came the right place. Here you can see I have already uploaded few latest technology videos and I am keep uploading latest technology video. If you don't subscribe my channel yet, then please subscribe it and give me the motivation for create more and more video. Let's move the our documentation. In this video series we will cover the angular 7. You might be thinking why we learn the angular 7, because nowadays the releases angular latest release is the angular 12, then why we should learn angular 7, the old one? Because if you are a beginner for angular, then you should be start from angular 7, because angular 7 has the major changes, and after that we will cover one by one, version by version, and we will see what new features will be added in each version. Okay, let's start the from angular 7. What is the angular is the open source javascript framework for building a web application using a javascript, html and typescript. Angular provide a built-in features for animation, http service and material, autocomplete, navigation, toolbar, menu, etc. The code is written in a code is written in a typescript which compiles to javascript and display the same in the browser. Why we learn Angular? Angular is the most stable and most popular JavaScript based platform nowadays. Angular development is the complete suite for application development, and you can have following roles after learning Angular in the company: web developers, web app developers, UI developers, UX developer, front end developer, JavaScript developer. Okay. Angular overview. The first Angular version releases October 2010. It's called Angular JS. After that, Angular 2 September 2016. After that, Angular A, Angular 4 March 2017, Angular 5 November 2017, Angular 6 May 2018, Angular 7 October 2018. The latest version is the Angular 12. It's released the May 2021. Let's see the environment setup. For Angular, we need Node.js, npm, Angular CLI, and one editor for writing the Angular code. First, we will download the Node.js. Okay, I'll already create a nodes, and I have already taken the URL. I'll provide all this URL in a description. Okay, I'll simply open one Google. Okay, no need to open. Okay. I'll simply copy that link, and you can see here we have an option for a Windows, Mac and Linux. You can download depend on your operating system. Okay, my operating system is a Windows, that's why I'll download this one 64-bit. Okay, I already have it downloaded. Okay, simply you can click here and it will start the downloading. I'll just cancel this. Okay, after that, once you download, then you have to install. You simply double click this application and it will be installed. Once you have a done installation, then you have to check installed or not successfully. For that, you have to open this command. Okay, I'll open command. You can open anywhere. If you want to open from your command, okay, you can directly from here also. And I'll check node-v. It will show me my node version. Okay, after that we have to install npm. You can see here, once node.js is installed, npm will also get installed along with it. Okay, that means our npm is also installed when we install node.js. Let's check the npm version. npm v. Okay, npm dash v. You can see here our npm installed version is 6.9.0. Once your npm installed, then you have to install Angular. For installing Angular, we have a two command. First one is the npm install dash g angular cli, and second one is npm install dash g angular cli @7.3.9. The first command will install the latest version. It will install by default a latest version, because we didn't pass here the which version we want to install, and the second command here we pass which version we want to install. Okay, currently we want to install 7.3.9. that's why I'll copy this. Okay, I'll simply copy this, and where I want to install, okay, I'll close this. This is our main terminal. I'll close this and I'll open terminal in appropriate folder. Okay, I already have create here one folder for creating a Angular project. I'll show you. Okay, you can see here Navalchand YouTube Angular project Angular 7. In this folder here is nothing. Okay, I'll simply open cmd and paste here npm install dash g angular cli 7.3.9. if you want to install your Angular globally in your system, then you have to define here dash g. But in this scenario, I don't want to install Angular globally. I want to install only Angular for this particular folder. That's why I'll remove this dash g and I'll press enter. It will sometime it will take more time, depend on your internet speed. Once your Angular installed, it will show added 296 packages. Okay, we will check our Angular install or not. For that, ng v and press the enter. Ng space v and press enter. You can see here Angular CLI. Our Angular version is 7.3.9. Node version is 10.16.3. Our OS here it can view the all things. Our dev kit core version. Okay, all these things. Okay, let me create a new project. Okay, I'll simply move the document. Here you can see we can create a new project using this command. Before the creating a project, we will download first IDE. Okay, install VS Code. For that, I'll copy this link. We need one IDE for write our code. Okay, I'll paste here. You can see here, if you are using a Windows, Linux or Mac, here has a all download features. You can download depend on your operating system. Okay, my operating system is a Windows 10. That's why I am downloading this 64-bit. I already downloaded. That's why I will not download again. You simply download and install it. Okay, once your download and installation done, then came back to that particular folder. Okay, this one. You can see here two package added, node model and package logs, because here we installed the Angular. Once your Angular installation done and your ID download and install also done, then we have to create a project. We will create a project. For that, creating a project, simply command new ng new and your project name. I'll give my project name my dream project. I'll simply press enter. Here the project will ask me, would you like to add Angular routing? Okay, I would like to add an Angular routing. I'll simply press yes, y and enter. Here we have an option CSS for style sheet format, CSS, SCSS. We will keep the CSS. Okay, press enter and it will download all required dependency on a internet, and it will take some time for create a project, because all dependency download on internet, and it might be your internet speed is low and it will take a more time. Okay, in this video we will saw how to create how to set the environment and how to create our first Angular project. In second video we will see the structure of Angular project. Okay, bye bye.